Are you tired of that constant tingling, numbness, or burning sensation in your feet and hands? Have you been told there's nothing you can do, or that you've just been stuck managing symptoms with endless pills and creams? I hear you. For too long, the conventional approach to nerve pain, especially neuropathy, has missed a crucial piece of the puzzle. It's not just about damaged nerves, it's about starved nerves. Today, I'm going to reveal the number one hidden cause of your nerve pain. It's probably not what you think. And more importantly, I'll share 5 incredibly powerful drug free strategies you can start using today to heal those nerves and reclaim your independence. You deserve to move, sleep, and live without constant discomfort. Let's get started. First, our nerves are not islands. It's all about circulation. For years, we've treated nerve pain like an isolated problem. You have nerve damage, so we treat the nerve. But here's the game changer. Your nerves don't live in isolation. They are incredibly reliant on a constant, fresh supply of oxygen and vital nutrients. Think of your body as a super efficient city, and your blood vessels are the highways delivering everything that keeps it running. But for your nerves, especially those far from your heart, like in your feet or your hands, it's not just the big highways that matter. It's the tiny, intricate back roads, what we call your microcirculation. When those micro highways get clogged or constricted due to things like high blood sugar, inflammation, or even just sitting too much, your nerves are the first to suffer. Imagine a beautiful, high maintenance orchid. If it doesn't get constant water and sunlight, it starts to wither, right? That's exactly what happens to your nerves. They start sending out distress signals, tingling, numbness, burning, and sharp pains. This isn't just nerve damage, it's nerve starvation. And here's the hero molecule in the story: nitric oxide. This incredible compound produces naturally in your body is like the traffic controller for those microhighways. It tells your blood vessels to relax, widen, ensuring blood flows freely, delivering oxygen and healing nutrients to every single nerve cell. When your nitric oxide production is sabotaged, those traffic jams become permanent and your nerves continue to starve. The good news is you can absolutely do something about this. We're going to clear those traffic jams and boost your body's natural nitric oxide production. Here are 5 powerful drug free strategies to get you started. Our first one: master the ankle pump. First up is our movement is medicine, especially for your lower legs. Your calf muscles are often called your second heart because they help pump blood back up towards your heart, increasing circulation to your extremities. The ankle pump is simple but massively effective. While sitting, point your toes down as far as you can, then pull them up towards your shin. Do this slowly with intention for about 10 to 15 repetitions. Do it while you're watching TV, on the phone, even at your desk. Make it a habit. This literally helps pump fresh blood into those starved nerves. Our second one: feed your blood vessels. What you eat directly impacts your microcirculation. We want to nourish the inner lining of your blood vessels, the endothelium, where nitric oxide is made. Load up on leafy greens like spinach and kale, and don't forget beets. They're nitric oxide powerhouses. Berries, especially blueberries and pomegranates, are packed with antioxidants that protect your vessels. And healthy fats from sources like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds provide essential omega 3s, which are critical for reducing inflammation. These foods are not just good for you, they are literally rebuilding your nerve highways. Third one: leveraging key supplements. While food is foundational, targeting supplements can give your nerves an extra boost. I often recommend alpha lipoic acid, ALA, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to improve microcirculation and reduce nerve pain. Another excellent choice is acetyl L-carnitine, which helps nerve cells produce energy and support regeneration. And for nerve sheath health, B vitamins, particularly B12, are crucial. Many people, especially those on plant-based diets or taking metformin, can be deficient. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Fourth, use a little hot and cold. This one simple yet incredibly effective temperature contrast therapy. At the end of your shower, alternate 30 seconds cold water on your legs and feet, then 30 seconds of warm water. Repeat this about for 2 minutes. The cold causes the blood vessels to constrict and the warm causes them to dilate. This works out your microcirculation, filling out stagnant blood and pulling in fresh oxygen-rich blood. You'll feel an immediate energized tingling. And number 5, stop sabotaging your circulation. Finally, let's talk about simple habits that inadvertently sabotage your circulation. Constantly crossing your legs, for instance, creates a physical roadblock for blood flow. Instead, sit with your feet flat on the floor. If you have a sedentary job, make it a rule to get up to walk around every few minutes on every hour. These brief bursts of movement keep your calf muscles active, helping pump blood from preventing those micro traffic jams. So, there you have it. The secret to addressing nerve pain isn't just about managing symptoms, it's about making a fundamental shift in how we support our nerves by ensuring they get the healthy, robust blood flow they deserve and they desperately need. By understanding that your nerves are interconnected with your circulatory system, you gain the power to start healing. This isn't a quick fix, but a journey of consistent, empowering choices that lead to real, lasting health, nerve health. Start with just one or two of these strategies today. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. If this information resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe to the Nerve Relief Project for more science backed, drug free solutions, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear this message. What strategies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.